Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Trust Wallet on PC. First, understand that Trust Wallet is designed for mobile, but you can easily run it on your computer. You'll need an Android emulator, which creates a virtual phone environment. This allows you to install and use mobile apps, including Trust Wallet, directly from your desktop. It's a straightforward process to get started. To begin, download a trusted Android emulator such as BlueStacks or Nox Player from its official website. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install it on your PC. After installation, launch the emulator and complete the initial setup, which typically involves logging in with your Google account. This step is crucial for accessing the Play Store later. Now, open the Google Play Store within your newly installed Android emulator. Use the search bar to find Trust Wallet and make sure you select the official application. Proceed with the installation. Once installed, open Trust Wallet. You'll then have the option to either import an existing wallet using your recovery phrase or create a brand new one, ensuring you follow all security best practices. With Trust Wallet now running on your PC, you can access all its features just as you would on a mobile device. Send and receive cryptocurrencies, explore various decentralized applications, and manage your portfolio with ease from your desktop. This setup provides a larger screen and keyboard for a more comfortable experience. For those looking to deepen their financial understanding, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.